Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the height and width of your lips on the Facetune application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then tap on a picture that you want to edit from your gallery at your home page. After that, you should tap on the face button down below, which is the third option. Then you should slide to the right side of the screen until you find the lips icon. And then you should zoom in so that you can do the changes more precisely. The first thing that you can do is adjusting or changing the size of your lips on this slide. You can make it bigger and smaller. Then you can select its height and its width as well. If you zoom out, you can see how it looks like. And if you are satisfied with the changes and the result, click on the checkmark icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.